that's all the final location holes for the middle pan drilled. So what I need to do now is actually just clamp it in the correct position and tack weld this relief cut together and take the pan off and fully weld it up. So I've just tacked those relief cuts up. Now the intention is taking the pan off fully and then welding them completely up, and then I'll make a start on them side panels, marking out where the riv nuts have got to go for that. So I've nearly got all the riv nuts in now. I've just drilled these 6mm holes to accommodate some M4 riv nuts, and that'll be it. So I'll do another mock-up, see how it looks, see if I need any more additional fittings, and then after that I'll have to make a call and get someone in to paint it again. That's the last mock-up for these panels done now. So I've just had to insert a couple of small M4 riv nuts just in these corner sections at the front there, just because it was slightly sagging down. But I'm just going to take some of these edges down just to make them a little bit more flush with each other, and then I think it's going to be ready for paint. That's all the fixings it's going to take to fit the belly pans underneath, all stainless steel. But before I fix them into place, let's get it painted.
I've been expecting you, restorations. I should be straight there, after my cup of tea.